Hi guys, my name is Annalie and I'm Mrs. Long's daughter, and today I'm going to be reading to you today Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups. And the author and illustrator is Tad Bentley. He wrote the words and drew the pictures. Oh yeah, and do you think that one of these penguins is Mr. Popper's penguins? And have you ever gotten the hiccups? I have. They're horrible. Let's get started. Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups by Tad Bentley. Oh, hello. It's nice to meet you. Franklin said you would be here soon. There he is waving to you. Sounds like he has the hiccups. I wonder if you might be able to help. You may have noticed that I've got a terrible case of the hiccups. It's driving me cuckoo. It all started last week on chilly night. I'm not sure how many penguins you know, but let me give you some advice. Look like he's been eating chili. Never give chili to a penguin. It gives us hiccups. I can get rid of them. Frederick told me to stand on my head. Chester told me to drink backwards from a cup. Albert told me to stand on my head while drinking backward from a cup. Nothing works. But Franklin has given me a new idea, and I need your help. Apparently, giving someone a good scare is the surest, bestest way to cure hiccups. So I need you to scare me. He wants you to scare him. But I don't really like being scared, so be nice. You're going to say boo on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boo! Is that it? Let's try again. Louder this time. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boo! Got scared that time. Pretty scary. Maybe that cured my Still got the hiccups. Ugh. Will I have the hiccups forever? One more time. Shout. Go crazy. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Roar! Look at that. We got really scared that time. Franklin, what on earth are you doing? You told me to stand here and wait for a good scare, and then you go and jump out on me, so now my feathers are all wet, and my mom will go bonkers because she just washed these the other day. Now I'll have to wait until I'm ready to be scared again. Hey, hold on a second. My hiccups, they're gone. Oh, thank you ever so much. Let's celebrate with a nice spicy taco. Uh-oh, what do you think's gonna happen? Uh-oh. He got the hiccups again. He ate spicy stuff. Now he's gotta go through all over again. Maybe next time he's gonna need your help again. Well, hope you enjoyed this book. Bye.